Good morning. Today, I like you to delve into an example of homomorphism to illustrate how this concept works in group theory. So, let's consider two groups, G the group of real numbers under addition and H the group of positive real numbers under multiplication. So, description of groups. So, group G is abelian with an identity element of 0, and group H is also abelian with identity element of 1. Definition of homomorphism. Now, so what's a homomorphism? So, it is a function between two groups that preserves the group structure. Its simpler term, it's a map that respect the group operation. So the example is that the homomorphism. Here's where our homomorphisms comes into play. We define a function, let's call it a function f, which maps a real number x to e to the power of x, where e is a Euler's number. So to ensure that f is indeed a homomorphism, we must verify that f, the function, the quantity function of f plus y equals function f times function y. So remember, the group operation for G is addition. So for H, it's multiplication. So verification, by the definition of f, this means we need to check if e to the power of x plus y equals e to the power of y times e to the power of e to the power of x times the e to the power of y. And guess what? This holds true. It's one of the fundamental rules of exponent. Conclusion. So in conclusion, we showed that f is homomorphism between groups G and H. This example demonstrates how homomorphism play a crucial role in preserving the algebraic structure between groups.